What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning, or whatever time you're watching this video. Today, me and Logan are going out onto Sabine Lake, doing some wade fishing. I know you guys wanted the wade fishing videos because you guys smashed that like button, got 50 likes. So we're gonna do it today. It's foggy, overcast, and we're gonna have a good time. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, we made it out here. I mean, just take a look at this. It's beautiful out here. Got Logan out here. You know Logan's a fishing fool. We're gonna see if we can get on some fish, right, Logan?
That's right.
Some corky fish, some freckled fish. Maybe some spot tail bass.
Yeah.
I heard those are pretty fun to fish for. Let's get into it. Yeah. It's a good one. It's not bad. About to get off. He might make the grade. Buddy. Come here, little buddy. There he goes. Oh, it just fell out. Yeah, I'm a stringer, big fella. There he is. This feels like a good one. They ain't hogs, but they do fight good. Oh, he's got barely one treble in him. Come here, little fella. Oh, come on. Let me get in here, baby. Come on. Easy there. Got him. That should be a keeper. Oh yeah, plenty. Nice. Finally got one. After so many missed attempts. There it is. That's a good one. You hit that one pretty hard. This one feels like a bigger one, guys. Oh, did he get off? No, he's running at me. He's just running at me. I think one of those hooks popped out though. So we're gonna back the drag down. Let him pull it out. He ain't come up yet. Oh, it's a good one. He smacked that corky. I switched back from that bone and chartreuse color to my old faithful right here. Look like they're getting it better. Oh, that's a good trout. That one absolutely destroyed the corky. There it is. Man, that sucker thumped that thing, sinking. Oh, I love a corky thump, guys. It's awesome. Feels like a good one too. You know it's a good one when they don't come up. Don't tell me. Oh, flat shooter. A big flat shooter. Oh my god. Hold on, guys. I gotta walk this in. Woo! Oh, it's a big one, dude. Oh, he's got that. Good. Come here, boy. Come here. Ooh! Son, I thought that was the biggest trout of the day. Absolutely smacked it. You can see he's got some leeches on him, because all these fish right here have been sitting down that mud. He absolutely railed that corky. A corky. Fat boy. There we go, Logan. A little bit of color to the stringer, right?
Yeah. I heard that guy talking. He said he was catching all his fish on the soft dine.
I got a soft dine. Huh?
I've lost like 4 or 5 trout.
Yeah, dude, they've been hitting it hard. But yeah, they won't get it though. If you guys want to know any of the gear I'm using today, I'll leave it linked below. But I have a Castaway Invicta Wader Special, 30-pound Suffix braid, and a Shimano Core 7-gear ratio reel. The bait's linked down below too. There he is. Logan, the Miradine. I got one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, he crushed that. Come here, little guy. Come on. There's a trick to landing these fish when you're waiting. You gotta kind of wear them out. Watch out for the troubles. Come on, big fella. Oh, come on. Got him. Got him. Woo, that's the biggest one right there, fellas. Look how he ate that. Look at that. Just straight up crushed that Miradine. Love it. There he is. Oh my God. Damn. That could have been another flounder right there. Dude, I had one rock me, Logan. I just had one rock the piss out of this Miradine. There he is. I got him. That's a good one, guys. Oh my God, I had one cast like a little bit before it, just rock it. It was like the smaller baits, what they're wanting. They're hitting a lot harder than the fat boy. Come on. Come on, come on. Got him. Woo! Miradine, baby, Miradine. There it was. Yeah, there he is. He's still hitting at it. There he is. Got him. There he is. That sucker smoked it like 3 times. It's a good one too. Come on, big boy. Ooh, good trout. Oh, he's barely got that back trouble in him. Come here. Ah, no. Gotcha. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. That's a pretty good trout right there. On that Miradine, I think we got about 8. That's pretty good. The Miradine looks like they made the ticket though. They like that smaller presentation. But I think we can scratch out a limit real quick. There he is. There he is. Dang, he dumped that. That's a good one. Come on. Come on, big fella. Come on, big fella. Easy. Ooh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. God, you talk about eat the damn thing. This dude ate it. Look at that. He had that thing. Ooh. Oh, he's cooked me. No, no. Got him. He got me in the velvet ring. I got dog it. There it is. Woo. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, he had this thing down. He kept shaking it. Finally he had it like that. Down the hatch. Well, that's 9. One more and we'll be done here. Woo. And all before 9:30. Current time is 9:27. Can't beat that. Cold winter day. Hot trout action. All I'm doing here is we're in a big mud flat right now. And there's a front coming through tomorrow. Me and Logan planned this trip based on that front. So, big mud flat. These fish have got to come up to feed. So, what we did, we positioned ourselves on these flats and just kind of working the flat. There's a current coming out of here that's washing bait and everything out. And all I'm doing is casting up and letting there he is. Oh, right when I was doing the intro. Last one right here. Or the outro. He thumped that thing. But yeah, there's a bunch of bait washing out right here. And these trout are just kind of sitting here at the mouth of this, kind of waiting for anything to drift by, and they're just eating it up before that big front blows through. But here we go, number 10 right here, if I can land him. Oh, it's a good one too, guys. Oh yeah, good trout. Barely got him. Come on. There he goes. There we go. Come on. That's a pretty trout right there. Ah, come on. Easy. This is where a pair of bogas come in handy. Come on. Got him. Oh God, that's a solid trout right there. Look at that. Got the lens all wet, but nothing wrong. There it goes. Yeah. I got 10. How many? All right. Hey, come over here, bub. They're pretty hot. There we go. Nice trout right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Yellow mouse. Wade fishing. Fun time. Woo-wee, ladies and gentlemen. We had some good fish. Look at the stringer behind me. There's a lot of trout in there. One good flounder. Logan got his stringer over here. We're gonna walk to him. But yeah, that's a lot of trout. Heavy stringer. All before 10 o'clock. That's pretty good. You got some solids? Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Woo. All right, let's get back to the boat. Let me see them hogs, Logan. Woo! Logan's just here for entertainment value.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just the comical part.
All right, we're back at the boat. Logan, would you please put all the groceries in the boat, please?
Oh, yeah, not a problem.
Thank you.
Well, let me move this stuff so we don't get it all disgusting.
Oh yeah.
Good
day.
morning.
Good morning. Not a bad day grocery shopping, I would say. Not a bad day at all. Yep. Well, me and Logan are gonna head home. We're gonna cook up all these fish, clean them up. I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you next time.